Hey, hello. Yes, trying to I have to practice getting rid of this atrocious American accent. And there's me like 007. Um, yes. Let's see. And as far as St. Patrick's Day, what religion should I be? Not a war, but indecisiveness is not being selective either. What religion I should be? So I chose a white Wicca until I find a religion that best not serves me, but rather say one I can handle and one that rather say appreciates the fact that I'm trying. I choose Jewish. And being Jewish is like, we're going to talk a little bit about religion. No matter what religion you are, you have to try to live your religion. That's why I try to be generous and loving. Even people who try to kill me, that's what allegedly Jesus did. As we read the scriptures in the first Torah, it says, oh, if you obey the 10 commandments, you'll be all right, or more than all right. It's like, thou shalt not steal, thou shalt not covet thy neighbor's wife, thou shalt not use the Lord's name in vain, thou shalt respect thy elders, thou shalt not covet thy neighbor's house, thou shalt not covet thy neighbor's goods, thou shalt not bear false witness against my neighbor, and rather say, and so forth. I remember, thou shalt not commit adultery, thou shalt not, rather say, thou shalt not kill, thou shalt not fall, thou shalt not bleed. Lost Boys, that's another story. I might do an acoustic scenario of that. Anyway, I'm here to do St. Patrick's salute. And of course, I'm still trying to get rid of this American accent. And when it's ginger, I can easily hear talking like an English British accent. And when I'm stressed out, like I can turn into Peter Steele as far as his accent, as far as like guilt and hate, and rather say, against thyself, as well as scarlet adverse, be a tenacious volunteer. And here is my hopes instrument, rather say it's a 12 string, as I demonstrated, and the tuning. The tuning is basically think of Cats in the Cradle. So if you want to tune your instrument to what I have, it's simply it's not dagad, it's a rare tuning. But when you experiment with it, you'll know what I mean. It's rare tuning. And let's get this freak show on the road, man. Yes. My boogeyman pajamas. I can't go bar hopping with the boogeyman without them. Okay. Let's see. Gotta line this up. I sold my soul to the company store 16 times. What do you get? Another old and dead. St. Peter, don't come because I can't go. I sold my soul to the company store. Okay, I got that on the system, man. And this is a group home. This is where we pick our nose and make nativity scene action figures. We put them in the kiln, like Shrieky Dings. That's a joke, but my bad. Learning the mechanic. Last San Recently. Take one. certain instrument when we kids, then a Scottish, more of a Scottish, British tuning and improv. I want to see how much time we have left. Probably not. We enjoyed the International Freak Show. It's a sweet, sweet breakfast. It's like breakfast with international freaks. Everyone's 23 seconds. I will cut it short.